If you have to create multiple sheets for every person on my list here, I hope you're not gonna do this, like plus and then create the first name and so on. This is time consuming, laborious, and sometimes can lead to error. And if your data set is as big as mine, I've got 1,000 people here, it can be a bit challenging to do that one at a time. Let me show you a more productive way to do it. First and foremost of all, you're going to select any name on your data set here, and then you're going to go to Insert, Pivot Table, and then in here you're going to click on Existing Worksheet. Under Location, you're going to select any cell in your spreadsheet. I'm going to select, say, B1 here, and click OK. Over here on the far right hand corner, you're going to drag My Friends, which is here, My Friends field, into Filter, and now you got yourself a pivot table. Next, you're going to select the newly created pivot table like that, and then you're going to go to Pivot Table Analysis, and if you look on the far top left hand corner of the screen, there's options under Pivot Table section here. You're going to click on Show Report Filter Page. Once you click on it, a pop-up window will appear like this. Make sure you're selected as My Friend if you have multiple fields. Next, you're going to click OK. As soon as you do that, what Excel does is that it starts creating all the sheet for everyone in your list. And you can see everyone on my list now have a sheet.